Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought for today's video I could show you guys what I got for my postpartum recovery kit for after I have this baby. So it's just gonna be like a casual laid back, like I barely have any makeup on. I'm actually wearing the Pure 4-in-1 Selfie foundation and concealer. You can see I just used it as concealer today. I think it looks okay. I mean, to me, it still looks like foundation. It doesn't really look like concealer, but I mean, whatever. So anyways, if you would like to see this stuff that I got for my postpartum, please keep watching. So I did Google stuff to buy for postpartum recovery, and then I also watched a couple of YouTube videos just like to see what people were buying. So the first thing that I got, which I've already tried these because I started like lactating randomly like towards the end of my second trimester. Not every day, it literally just happens like randomly. Like, and right now I'm 39 weeks and like a day. So it happens like randomly. It's never like a lot, but I never know when it's gonna happen. So if I'm around the house, I don't really care because like I'm in my house. But there's been a couple times I've been out in public and I've had to put like tissue paper there or toilet paper or something because it just like caught me off guard. So I ordered these breast pads off of Amazon and I don't like them at all. Like, they're just like too big and you could see them through like all my bras and my shirts, and I just like, this is what I don't recommend, but I'm gonna use them because I paid for them. But if I run out, like if I need more, I wouldn't repurchase these. But these are from Medela and they're the disposable nursing pads. This is the box right here. They come with 60, but when I tell you, they're huge. Okay, so they're folded up in this pad right here. So times this, here, watch. This is how big they are. Huge. Like, they're way too big for me, and right now I'm a 38 double D, and they're just like massive. They like cover my entire, like, I just don't like them. But like I said, I am going to use them because I did buy them, but if I have to buy more, I need something smaller for sure. So that's the first thing that I have in my kit, and I just like put everything in this like fabric, what is this? Fabric box thing that I got from Walmart. The next thing I got off of Amazon as well, and this is the NEWGO Postpartum / Hemorrhoid Packs, 2 reusable hot / cold packs, 3 sleeves for replacement, and then another 1 separate pink sleeve for breast pad during feeding period. So what I liked about these, 1, they had really good reviews, and 2, they have like the sleeves that go over the actual like hot cold pack that you could put in the freezer, or I guess, how would you heat it up? Yeah, it says you can put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. I mean, I'm not gonna put it in the, like, I got these to freeze them. So this says for postpartum, provides relief from pain after childbirth or surgery, a must-have for postpartum recovery. But I like that they have the sleeves, so I could just take off the sleeves and throw the sleeves in the washer, and I don't have to like throw these away, and like I can reuse them because I found, I can't remember the brand, I think it's Frida Mom, because I have something else from in here. They had some at Target and it only came with like maybe like 8 to 10, and they weren't reusable, and they were like $20 some, and I was like, okay, well, what if I need to use it more? They're like the pads that you break and they just instantly get cold, but you can't reuse them. So I was like, that seems like kind of like a waste of money, especially if I need to buy more. So I found these. So it says, for the hemorrhoid, it says naturally reduces swelling and itching from hemorrhoids, provides instant relief, and promotes healing. To use it as a breast pad, it says soothes breast pain and engorgement, stimulates breast milk flow, a smart, excellent choice for nursing mothers, which I am going to try to breastfeed. I didn't breastfeed with Jaden, so I'm going to try it with this one, but if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But I told myself I would at least try. So when you open it up, you get a little envelope. This bag, what's this? It says keep this resealable bag for product storage. And then these are, so this is what it looks like. So it'll be nice, it'll just fit like in your underwear or like the diaper things that I got. I'm going to show you here in a second. So it already has a sleeve. The sleeve feels really nice. It's like nice and soft. And then this is the actual thing that goes in the freezer or the microwave. So it's just like little beads. So yeah, I do plan on just using it using these strictly for ice packs. But I guess, and then here's 2 other sleeves. So really there's 4. But I guess if I am gonna try to breastfeed, then I might as well try to use these for that too. So the instructions in here say just to put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So I'll have to remember that. I guess I should probably hold on to that. So the other thing that I saw people buying or recommending was this, what they call it? Prenatal spray from Earth Mama. That is on Amazon, and it's supposed to be like organic and natural and blah blah blah, but people were saying that it didn't really get rid of the pain. It just kind of got rid of like the infection, from what I could tell. Not the infection, but it just kind of helped with the healing process, but it didn't get rid of the pain. So then I saw people were recommending this, so I got this one instead for pain. This is the hospital trusted Dermoplast antiseptic first aid spray for fast pain relief. So I went ahead and picked this up because I plan on using this to spray down there instead of the Earth Baby. I didn't get that, which is crazy that I'm like even preparing for postpartum recovery, because when I had Jaden, I didn't buy any of this stuff. Like Google wasn't really a thing 13 years ago. And when I came home from the hospital, I only had like what they gave me, which I can't even really remember what they gave me. I know I came home with one of those Peri bottles, and then I think the only thing I bought by myself was like pads. That was it, but I didn't buy any of this extra stuff, and I felt good in about a week. I went back to work a week after I had him, so I mean, I still remember being in like a little bit of pain, but I worked at a pizza place, so I was on my feet for like 8 hours, and I got along just fine. Again, I was like 19, but still. So I'm assuming, since I have some extra help this time, that maybe the recovery process will go by easier, better, whatever. I don't know. I guess we'll see, right? So the next thing I got is this Boobease for sensitive skin. This is the organic nipple balm, and it says it's non-toxic, safe for baby, and I found this at Target. And I did a little bit of research on it, and it does say that you can apply it and you don't have to wipe it off before you nurse, so the baby can like still ingest it, I guess, and it's not gonna hurt them. So I got this and this. Frank and I walked all over Target looking for this, and it was like right in front of our faces, but the way they had it set up at Target, like you couldn't even tell that that's what we were looking for. This is the Frida Mom upside down Peri bottle. So like I said, I remember the hospital sending me home with one after I had Jaden, but then I saw people suggesting buying this one because it's like tilted, as you can see. And then if I remember it, the one they sent me home from the hospital was just a regular like squeeze bottle. There wasn't anything special about it, but people recommended getting this because it was just like easier to use. So I went ahead and got this. Then this is another thing people recommended. This is the Tux medicated cooling pads. Hemorrhoid pads with witch hazel. So I got a pack of these. I actually tried to find these at Target and I couldn't, and then we found them at Walmart, so that's where I ended up getting them. And there's 100 pads in here, and it just says immediate relief from burning and itching caused by hemorrhoids, but I guess you can also use them for like down there after you have a baby. So I'm gonna try that. Then this is another thing that was recommended. These are the Always Discreet Boutique. These are like the fancy ones. I guess I didn't need the fancy ones, but I got a size small, medium, I think. Or a size small. I don't know. It says maximum small. I think that's what that means. And there's only 12 in here. So I figured I would just get one for now because I don't know. Because I know after the first couple days it's going to be like heavy like flow or whatever, but I'm assuming that I could get through one pack of these and then not have to wear like this disposable underwear anymore. Like I could just wear like the heavy duty pads, so we'll see. So I only got one of these, and I got these from Target. Then I just got a pack of pads. These are the Always Maxi pads, and there's 42 of them, and it says they're the size 2 long super with flexi wings, and it says jumbo. I don't really know. It's been a long time since I bought pads, but now I know they have size like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So they have one that says right here that's a 5 extra heavy overnight. Maybe I should have got that one. I think I messed up. I don't know. I was like so confused when I was looking at these. I don't know. But yeah, I guess I should have got number 5. So I'll probably just go ahead and run through these and see how that works, and then maybe just go back to the store and buy the other one. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Then the last thing that I got for postpartum recovery, I found this on Amazon, and I'll insert a picture of it on the model. But this is the postpartum recovery belt. So it's kind of like a waist cincher, and I saw people saying that when you go to have a baby, even if you don't have a C-section, I guess the hospital has like these like waist cincher kind of things or whatever that they give people that have C-sections, just kind of like hold everything together and like more support. They said that you could ask the hospital for those regardless if you had a C-section or not, but I am weird about like asking for stuff. So I saw this on Amazon and it had really good reviews, so I went ahead and picked that up. So I planned on just like, I'm not going to bring this to the hospital or anything because I don't know, I just don't want to, but I planned on wearing this like the second we get back from the hospital. Again, I didn't wear anything like that with Jaden, and I think it took me a good month to get rid of like just like the little kangaroo pouch that you get after you have a baby to where my stomach goes back to being flat. I believe it took me a month. So, but again, that was 13 years ago. So I don't know how my body's gonna look after this baby, but I thought that that would be a good idea just to have like extra support, some like tightness around my stomach, maybe just like kind of hold everything in there until I was like healed. That's everything that's in my postpartum recovery kit. Let me know if you guys have anything that you use that you think that I like absolutely need that I didn't mention in this video in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.